Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to read out the rhyming words with U sound. U says ah. We know the song. Ah, ah, up go umbrellas. Ah, ah, up go umbrellas. Ah, ah, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. So U says ah and the letter T says t, t, t. Ah, t, at. So the ending sound is t. T, hat. T, hat. Now the second word is t. T, at, at, k, at, cat. K, at, cat. Can you cut a paper? At, 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 nut. At, nut. Do you eat nuts? Now the ending sound is G. G says g, 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 g. Ag, ag. Ag, mug. Ag, mug. Do you drink water in the mug? Ag, ag. Ag, mug. Ag, mug. Ag, ag. Ag, rag. Ag, rag. Ag, ag. Ag, dag. Ag, dag. Ag, ag. J says j. J, ag, jag. J, ag, jug. I pour water from the jug. Ag, ag. B, ag, bug. B, ag, bug. Hey, have you seen any bug? Here you can see the ending sound is n, un. B, bun. B, bun. Do you eat a bun? Un, un. Run. Run. Can you run? Un. Fun. Fun. Did you make fun? Now the ending sound is B. B says b. Up. T, b, tub. T, b, tub. Ab. K, b, cub. K, b, cub. Ab, rub. Rub. Now we are going to read out the rhyming words very quickly. Rub, cub, tub, fun, run, bun, bug, jug, dug, rug, mug, nut, cut, hat. Thanks for watching.
Now I know